show how we look together.
Is he in your shirt? Oh.
You know he's clever? Because he could have his clothes out, but they don't.
Well, you're a friend. You have to be nice to grandmas.
Yeah, the day might come when you might give him a fish. He knows that.
What was it like to have a cat in your shirt?
Like no other cat ends up inside my shirt.
I think at 93 you're becoming a cat person.
I waited to 93.
Okay. Okay, well here you go. Enjoy.
Hello. Hello. Say hi to your grandma. Say hi. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. You want to get away. I know I have no goodies for you. Oh, see, he always bites.
Did he bite you?
Not to hurt me.
Just to give you a warning.
He wants to get free.
He is a wild animal.
Animals are smart. There you go. If I let you catch it, then what? Boring. Oh, it's no fair. I wouldn't do that to the cat. Okay, that's more fun. Come on. Come on, you can have this. Go ahead, catch it. So what? So what? It's not nothing to eat. I can understand that.
Didn't you have a cat once?
Not too long. No. It ran away.
What was your cat called?
Pardon me?
What was the name of your kitty cat?
The one that ran away is Quebec.
What does that mean?
Go away.
Well, what do you think is going to happen?
Well, I didn't think you understood Jewish.
Only you would get a cat who understood Jewish.
What? It's nothing. Nothing to eat.
How should you treat a cat?
Like a cat. You treat a cat like you would a baby kitten.
How was that?
Just be nice to it, love it, and enjoy it. I'm sure you'll enjoy that cat. I think you should have more than one. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. That paper is much more fascinating. Hello?
Is it a picture or maybe?
Hey, hey, hey. Say hi to your grandma. Say hi to your grandma. Hello? He doesn't want to. How are you? We're being photographed. That show our best profile. Look how cute we are. Look how cute we are. Say hi to you. Say hi to your relatives. Hello.
He's kind of squirrely.
Who's that?
What do we need to know about cats?
What did he love them? Feed them.
Are cats considered family?
Pardon me?
Are cats considered family?
Are they what?
A part of the family.
If they stay with you long enough, they become part of the family. Mine ran away, but I had an open house It was easy to do. Had 7 doors. Seven doors in and out of my house. It was always easy to have a door open. So the cats had freedom of doing whatever they wanted to. And when they got tired of me, it ran away. What could you do? When you are in love, it's the funniest cat in the world. Yes, see what you can do. It's the funniest cat in the world. Why are you afraid of a tiny little chip like this? When you come to your grandma, you can always expect fun like this. You've got it. You're entitled to it. With no fun, no food, no nothing.